Hi, this is Mayor Bob White. Today is Sunday, July the 12th, 2020, and this is COVID-19 briefing number 22. As of today, the number of presumptive positive cases of COVID-19 in Saddlebrook is 317. That number has gone up since my last briefing on June the 24th. Over the last week, the number of new coronavirus cases in Bergen County and statewide has risen by less than 0.3%. The number of deaths as a result of COVID-19 in Saddlebrook is 19. This has stayed the same. The overwhelming majority of people who have contracted COVID-19 have fully recovered. But in no way does this minimize the seriousness and the danger associated with this disease. I offer my sincere and heartfelt sympathies to the families and friends of those who have passed away as a result of coronavirus. Through combined efforts, New Jersey has flattened the curve of COVID-19 cases, and we are now well positioned to continue our restart and recovery process. Governor Murphy is using a multi-stage approach using science, data, and facts to determine which businesses and activities can reopen according to their risk level and challenges they face to safeguard public health. This week, Governor Murphy signed an executive order requiring everyone to wear face coverings when they are in outdoor public spaces and social distancing is not practicable. The only exceptions to this requirement include individuals eating and drinking at an outdoor dining establishment, those for whom wearing a face covering endangers their health or safety, and children under 2 years old. New Jersey, Connecticut, and New York have announced a joint advisory calling for travelers arriving from states with surging COVID-19 cases to voluntarily isolate themselves for 2 weeks. That includes not only visitors, but residents who traveled to those states and are now returning home. The governor postponed indoor dining at the end of June, citing flare-ups across the country, as well as some concerning signs in New Jersey that the coronavirus's rate of transmission had gone up. The limit for indoor gatherings has increased to 25% of capacity with a maximum of 100 people. Staff and attendees at all indoor venues must wear face coverings. The limit for outdoor gatherings is now 500, but masks must be worn if social distancing of 6 feet cannot be accomplished. All Saddlebrook parks, fields, and playgrounds are now open to the public, with the exception of the playground at the Saddle River County Park. Bergen County officials are keeping it closed until further notice. Please wear a mask if you or your child cannot maintain 6 feet of separation. Bring and use hand sanitizer often. Avoid touching your face and wash your hands as soon as possible after leaving. If you or your child are sick, please do not use the playground or equipment. We will attempt to have our youth participate in outdoor recreation sports this fall, but all programs must abide by health and safety protocols. These include screenings for athletes, coaches, and staff, limited equipment sharing, and disinfecting and sanitizing equipment. The Saddlebrook School District has formed a reopening committee. The goal of the committee is to develop a reopening plan that represents the needs of the community and its children so that the district may have a safe and efficient opening of school in September. I am a member of this committee and will do all I can to assist the district and ensure the health and safety of the students and staff at our schools. I again thank all our amazing healthcare workers, emergency responders, and essential workers for all they've been doing on the front line of this pandemic. Lastly, I want to commend the residents of our community for doing their parts to fight this battle against the coronavirus. Let's keep moving in the right direction by continuing to practice social distancing, washing hands frequently, and wearing face coverings. I realize that it can be uncomfortable, but wearing a face covering is proven to help protect you and others around you from contracting the virus. Thank you, and God bless.